This is Brandon with Idaho Elite Inspection Team, and this is a 1-minute home inspection. All right, guys, here we are. We're on top of this brand new roof, new construction home. I want to show you a couple things because most people have it in their mind that new construction typically comes out perfectly. No need to get an inspection, right? Builder knows exactly what they're doing, huh? Well, let's take a look. Okay, first of all, we've got, throughout the whole roof, actually, we've got all these exposed nails. Last I checked, exposed nails or nails in general create a hole. So that's obviously a potential leak for these guys. Secondly, here we're against this wall, this vertical wall where it meets the siding, sorry, the roofing material here. They've got some step flashing. We checked underneath there, we're on the slope, but here on this portion here, there is no flashing. So what that means is water can actually get behind here, underneath, under the shingle and cause a leak. I know we're under an eave here, but obviously the wind will blow and blow water uphill if needed. So that could be the case here. So really the right way to do it is have a piece of L flashing shaped like an L that comes up the siding behind it here and then comes out on top and runs down a few inches. That way any water that gets blown out here will actually just come hit this flashing metal piece and just drain on top of it. As it is, obviously the water could potentially get back behind under the shingles and into the attic and cause a leak. So that's a good reason why we do these home inspections, even on new construction homes. You can actually see here we got some exposed, you can see it, some exposed plywood, again possibly causing a leak. Here we've got some snow on the roof, so just not the best job. More exposed nails right there too. Those are all over the place. So this roofer did not do a thorough job for these guys, and we're going to make sure that they are aware of some of these issues. This is Brandon with Idaho Elite Inspection Team. We'll see you on the next one. This is Brandon with Mountains and Sound Home Inspection, and this is a 1-minute home inspection.